Hi, I'm George, and if you've ever wondered how to book a private jet but didn't know where to start, well, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a business trip, celebrating a special occasion, or simply looking for a more convenient way to travel, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to book a private jet quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you will know all these steps you need to take, and I'll introduce you to NetJets, the world's leading private jet service, so you'll have a trusted option ready to go when you need it. So let's dive in. Before you can book a private jet, the first step is to figure out the details of your trip. Start by asking yourself a few questions. Where are you flying to? How many passengers will be traveling with you? And do you need a one-way flight or a round trip? These are important details that will help determine the type of aircraft you need and the overall cost of your flight. For example, if you're traveling alone or with just one other person, you might only need a light jet that's ideal for shorter distances. But if you're flying with a group or need to travel internationally, you'll likely need a larger aircraft with extended range and extra luggage space. Knowing these details will make the process faster and smoother when you're ready to book. Step number 2, choose the right service for your needs. Once you figure out your travel details, the next step is to decide what kind of service best fits your needs. With private jet travel, you typically have 3 main options: chartering a jet, leasing one, or going with fractional ownership. Now, if you're someone who flies just a few times a year, then chartering a jet might be the most practical option. But if you fly more frequently, leasing or fractional ownership can save you money in the long run while giving you consistent access to an aircraft whenever you need it. This is where NetJets really stand out. They offer flexible options to match any level of travel frequency. Their Jet Card program is perfect for occasional flyers who want to pay as they go. If you need something more regular, you can explore their leasing options, which provide access without the long-term commitment of ownership. And for those who fly often and want guaranteed availability, fractional ownership lets you own a share of an aircraft, giving you the benefits of ownership without the hassle of maintenance. Step number 3, contact a private jet provider. So now that you know what type of service fits your needs, the next step is to reach out to a private jet provider. In this video, I'm featuring NetJets because they make this process as seamless as possible, and they've been the longest in the business, so they're the most trusted company out there. You can visit netjets.com or simply click the link in the description of this video to request a quote or speak directly with one of their private aviation advisors. Their team is available to help walk you through your options and give you personalized recommendations based on your trip details and budget. Whether you need to book a last-minute flight or plan something further out, their process is designed to be quick and easy. Step number 4, customize your flight experience. Now, one of the biggest perks of flying private is being able to customize every detail of your trip. With NetJets, you can personalize your experience to fit your specific needs. For example, you can request special catering, entertainment systems, or pet-friendly cabins. Now, if you're flying for business, you can ensure your aircraft is equipped with Wi-Fi and conference-friendly layouts. The ability to tailor the experience is what makes private jet traveling so appealing. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about traveling in comfort and style while making the journey itself an experience to remember. Step number 5, finalize and confirm your booking. Once you've customized your flight and finalized the details, the last step is to confirm your booking. With NetJets, this process is quick and hassle-free. After reviewing the final itinerary, you'll receive a confirmation that includes all the important details from departure times to special requests. You'll also get clear instructions on where to check in and what to expect when you arrive at the private terminal. No long security lines, no waiting, just a smooth experience from start to finish. And because NetJets handles all the logistics, you can sit back, relax, and focus on enjoying your trip. So the bottom line is that booking a private jet doesn't have to be complicated. And with NetJets, it's easier than ever. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, NetJets offers flexibility, luxury, and peace of mind all in one package. So if you're ready to experience the ultimate in private jet travel, click the link in the description below to learn more or request a quote from NetJets today. It's time to elevate your travel experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.